Yes, good morning. It's Jim from jagfx.com. It is Monday, the 27th of August 2018, start of a new trading week. This video today is just going to be on the trades or the trade action I've taken this morning on both the Mod MACD daily chart and the high probability daily chart. And also have a quick look at one trade I took on the 12-hour high probability charts. Like I said, I think it's going to be a fairly quiet week, just looking at the week's news ahead. Not much happening at all. We're on the Mod MACD daily, just a bit of trade management this morning. So USD Japanese yen, I was in a pardon me. I was in a sell from this level here, in that area there. Already closed out two parts of it, 2/3 of it. This morning got a confirmed cross to the upside on the fast MACD with its blue dotted liners, and so I closed out that remaining sell. So that sell's no longer in play. Overall small profit, I'd say there. I'm not taking the buy. I've sort of talked about it in the last few days. I'm just trying out a different filter, sort of running in the background. I just want to see if I can filter out some not so good trades. See how it goes. I'll leave these lines on the chart just to see where the signal would have been, because that would have been a valid buy signal this morning. Right, so that's the yen. That sell's closed. New Zealand Japanese yen, same sort of deal. Sell back here. Already closed out 2/3. Closed out the remaining third this morning. Same as the USD Japanese yen. Cross on the fast MACD. Overall profit on the sell. A high risk buy trade was presented, but I didn't take it, so I'm not in that trade. See how it goes, because you're going up into the 240 LMA there, but the sell's closed out for an overall profit. CAD Japanese yen, I was in a sell here, closed out the sell this morning on this cross of the fast MACD. Again, didn't take the buy trade, so just took the loss on the sell, and just watching this to see how, if this filter I'm looking at is worth it or not. So it's the CAD yen. New Zealand USD is in a sell back here. Confirmed cross of the fast MACD to the upside this morning, same as the other few trades. So just closed out the remaining, I've already closed out 2/3 by looks, yep, closed out the remaining third. Overall profit on the sell trade there. And no buy trade taken either, so no new trades on the Mod MACD charts at all. Let's switch over to the daily high probability. While we're doing that, we'll just have a quick look at the 12. This is the 12-hour. This is the Australian New Zealand 12-hour. This is on the MT5 platform I'm using. Took a new buy trade this morning. Price has had trends up. You can see the MAs are up. Trends come down sort of slowly, ground its way into the MAs. Just between the 100 and the 240 there. And we've got this buy signal this morning. You've got bullish divergence there, hidden bullish divergence. So we've got lower, hang on, let me get this right. A higher low on price, as you can see price is going up, so it's a higher low, and a lower low on the MACD Platinum. So that's a buy on that. So that's the Aussie New Zealand 12-hour. Let's switch back to the high probability daily charts on my other platform. The CAD Japanese yen this morning, just better read my notes, make sure, oh yeah. I was in a sell trade back here, and my remaining sell trade was stopped out this morning. So I already closed half. Stop was probably took a bit of a loss on the second half, but I think the first half would have covered me. So overall, either small profit or overall break even, but no longer in a sell on that trade. That can all go. And the other chart, pound CAD, in a buy back here. Closed it this morning for a small loss, very small loss I think, or even close to break even. The buy, it went up there nicely into the, I probably should have taken some action here at the, I got the bearish JagFX XRD and price was in the MAs. I probably should have looked at closing out half, get my stop in place or bring my stop up, but I didn't, and prices dropped down, big bearish candle on Friday, and today I thought, well, no use risking any, because the way it looks it could just keep on falling, so I decided just to close it. So that's it guys for this morning's action. Not much at all, very quiet, and as I said, very quiet on the news front. I'll do up a longer video tonight sometime where I go through all the trades, all the pairs on both the daily ModMac there and the daily high probability charts, and we'll just discuss a few things, have a look at the news, etc. Alright, thanks for watching. If you do like these videos, please subscribe or at least hit the like button, and I will chat later. Cheers.